All right, welcome back to another episode. And today we're back out on the go. We're going to go 10 meter HF mobile coming up next on ham radio on the go. Okay, welcome back to the channel. And like I said, we're going to be out on the go. 10 meter HF mobile on the go. Going to make a contact with Papa Juliet 4 Golf. Now this is in the Caribbean, the island of Bonaire in the Netherlands Antilles. And if you're an IOTA type of guy, it's South America-006. 2,000 miles, 3,200 kilometers into grid Fox Kilo 5-2. Enjoy.
Thank you, Papa Juliet 4 Golf.
Kilo Charlie 2, Juliet Romeo, Quebec.
Test. Thank you, contest, Papa Juliet 4 Golf.
Kilo Charlie 2, Juliet Romeo, Quebec.
Kilo Charlie 2, Japan Radio, Quebec, 59 kilowatts.
Okay, 59 in New York.
Thank you, Papa Juliet 4 Golf. Again. Papa Juliet 4 Golf, contest. N98G.
Okay, well there you have it. A mobile 10 meter HF contact for the ARRL International SSB contest. It shows you what you can do with low power, small antenna, and even on 10 meters at night you can make contacts, long distance DX type of contacts on 10 meters even at night. Check out the description for the final word, and like and subscribe for future videos right here on Ham Radio on the Go. Thanks for watching.